Top 50 MCQ on Computer Application with Answer Part 1. Welcome to my channel 10 Factors. This is an educational channel and I upload GK question answer videos in this channel on science. Question 1. Physical part of a computer are known as A. Software. B. Hardware. C. Operating system. Right answer, B. Hardware. Question 2. Is a place where processing takes place. A. System unit. B. CPU. C. Monitor. Right answer, A. System unit. Question 3. Processor is fixed on the A. Fan. B. Chipboard. C. Motherboard. Right answer, C. Motherboard. Question 4. There are types of memory. A. 2. B. 3. C. 1. Right answer, A. 2. Question 5. A processor acts like a/n. A. Heart. B. Arm. C. Brain. Right answer, C. Brain. Question 6. Arithmetic operations are performed by A. LU. B. AU. C. ALU. Right answer, B. AU. Question 7. A processor is also known as A. CPU. B. UPS. C. UPC. Right answer, A. CPU. Question 8. Which of the following part of the CPU controls the sequence of the instructions? A. AU. B. CU. C. LU. Right answer, B. CU. Question 9. RAM stands for A. Random access memory. B. Random analysis. C. Readable memory. Right answer, A. Random access memory. Question 10. ROM stores data. A. Permanently. B. Temporarily. C. Partially. Right answer, A. Permanently. Question 11. Which of the following is the highest speed slot? A. ISA. B. AGP. C. PCI. Answer, B. AGP. Question 12. A video game is played by using card. A. Sound. B. Modem. C. Graphics. Right answer, A. Sound. Question 13. Barcode reader is a/n device. A. Output. B. Input. C. Display. Right answer, B. Input. Question 14. Which is used in security system and criminal investigations? A. Fingerprint reader. B. Robots. C. Sound card. Right answer, A. Fingerprint. Question 15. Which is also known as mechanical agent? A. Computer. B. Barcode reader. C. Robots. Right answer, C. Robots. Question 16. Is the set of instruction given to the computer to perform a specific task? A. Monitor. B. Hardware. C. Software. Right answer, C. Software. Question 17. Is the most famous type of operating system for personal computer? A. Linux. B. Unix. C. Microsoft Windows. Right answer, C. Microsoft Windows. Question 18. A system software that helps operating system to communicate with a device is called A. Operating system. B. Device driver. C. Utility. Right answer, B. Device driver. Question 19. Is a program that allows a user to analyze and maintain a computer. A. Utility. B. Device driver. C. Windows XP. Right answer, A. Utility. Question 20. Creates a link between a user and the computer. A. Device driver. B. Utilities. C. Operating system. Right answer, C. Operating system. Question 21. A. Keeps the mouse free from dust and dirt. A. Mouse pad. B. Rubber pad. C. Paper pad. Right answer, A. Mouse pad. Question. 22. Keep the index finger on the button. A. Left. B. Right. C. Middle. Right answer, A. Left. Question. 23. Keep the middle finger on the button. A. Right. B. Left. C. Scroll wheel. Right answer, A. Right. Question. 24. Move the mouse over A. Mouse pad. B. Rubber pad. C. Rubber pad. Answer, A. Mouse pad. Question. 25. Always keep the on the mouse pad. A. Rubber pad. B. Mouse. C. CPU. Answer, B. Mouse. Question. 26. Has a tail. A. Mouse. B. CPU. C. Monitor. Right answer, A. Mouse. Question. 27. A mouse is a part of A. Washing machine. B. Computer. C. Fan. Right answer, B. Computer. Question. 28. A keyboard has keys. Both. B. Number. C. Alphabet. Right answer, A. Both. Question. 29. Cursor is a blinking line on the monitor. A. Small. B. Big. C. Slanting. Answer, A. Small. Question. 30. There are usually keys on the keyboard. A. 104. B. 106. C. 110. Right answer, A. 104. Question. 31. Keys are found at the top of the keyboard. A. Function. B. Number. C. Alphabet. Right answer, A. Function. Question. 32. Key is used to write in capital letters. A. Caps lock. B. Enter. C. Backspace. Right answer, A. Caps lock. Question. 33. Erases letters to the left of the cursor. A. Backspace. B. Delete. C. Both. Right answer, A. Backspace. Question. 34. Question. Arrow keys are used to move the cursor in directions. A. Both. B. Left/right. C. Up/down. Right answer, A. Both. Question. 35. Mouse is connected to A. CPU. B. UPS. C. Keyboard. Right answer, A. CPU. Question. 36. Which key combination is used to deselect a selection? A. Control plus Enter. B. Control plus D. C. Control plus F. Right answer, B. Control plus D. Question. 37. Cable television is an example of A. 1. B. Man. C. LAN. Right answer, B. Man. Question. 38. This refers to the physical layout of the network computer and links. A. Networking. B. Network security. C. Topology. Right answer, C. Topology. Question. 39. It is not important to secure Wi-Fi network. A. True. B. False. C. None of these. Right answer, B. False. Question. 40. Wireless network are to install and maintain. A. Infrared. B. Wireless. C. Cheaper. Right answer, C. Cheaper. Question. 41. There are different ways to crop an image. A. 3. B. 4. C. 5. Right answer, A. 3. Question. 42. Magnetic and polygon are the two type of tool. A. Lasso. B. Switch. C. Colors. Right answer, A. Lasso. Question. 43. Clone tool is similar to paint bucket tool. A. True. B. False. C. None of these. Right answer, B. False. Question. 44. There are four type of network. A. True. B. False. C. None of these. Right answer, B. False. Question 45. Networking is only used for sharing resources. A. True. B. False. C. None of these. Right answer, B. False. Question 46. 1. Stands for Wide Area Network. A. True. B. False. C. None of these. Right answer, A. True. Question 47. Bluetooth was designed for simple wireless communication. A. True. B. False. C. None of these. Right answer, B. False. Question 48. Which images help to monitor and modify? A. Tool panel. B. Palettes. C. Menu bar. Right answer, B. Palettes. Question 49. What do you do with Photoshop except one? A. Correcting color. B. Retouching image. C. Make a presentation. Right answer, C. Make a presentation. Question 50. What is done to copy? A. Clone. B. Healing. C. Layer. Right answer, A. Clone. The next part coming soon. Thanks for watching video.